In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Mailchimp plan. Imagine you've been using Mailchimp for your email marketing needs, but have decided that it's time to part ways. Whether you're scaling down or simply moving on to another service, the process of canceling your Mailchimp plan is straightforward. Let's walk through it together, ensuring you can complete the task efficiently and successfully. First, you'll need to access the Mailchimp website and enter your login information. After successfully entering your details, hit that login button. You'll be taken directly to the dashboard of your Mailchimp account, which acts as the control center for all your email marketing activities. While the dashboard might look a bit overwhelming with its multitude of options and settings, don't worry. Our main focus right now is to find the plan section, which may sometimes be under your account settings. Now here's where things can get a bit tricky. Instead of finding a direct Cancel Plan button, you'll actually click on the Upgrade option. Yes, I know it might sound counterintuitive. Why would you click on Upgrade when your intention is to cancel? Well, it's all about the layout of the account management section. Clicking Upgrade takes you to the area where you can manage your current plan, which includes finding the cancellation options. Once you're in the plan management area, the interface will provide guidance based on your existing plan. For those on free plans who wish to remove their accounts entirely, or for those on paid plans who prefer to downgrade or cancel, the options will differ accordingly. Navigate through these options to find the one that lets you manage or cancel your plan. Select the option to cancel your plan. At this point, Mailchimp may try to entice you to stay by offering different plans or asking for feedback on your decision to leave. While providing feedback is entirely optional, it could help in improving the service for future users. Confirming your choice to cancel will prompt a dialogue or confirmation step. This is an important stage as it's your final chance to reconsider the cancellation process. If you're confident in your decision, proceed with the cancellation. Mailchimp will likely inform you about what will happen next, such as how long you'll still have access to your account and what information will be retained or deleted. And with that, you've successfully navigated the process of canceling your Mailchimp plan. It's always important to consider the impact on your marketing activities or data stored within Mailchimp before making such decisions. If you have active campaigns or subscriber lists, be sure to back up or transition this information prior to finalizing your cancellation. As we wrap up, let's go over a few additional tips to make your transition away from Mailchimp smoother. First, check for any pending invoices or charges to avoid surprise bills. Second, export your data, including subscriber lists and campaign reports, to ensure you don't lose any valuable insights. In conclusion, canceling your Mailchimp plan can be accomplished in a few simple steps: logging in, navigating to your plan settings, choosing to manage your plan, and proceeding with cancellation. While parting with a service is never easy, being informed about managing your subscriptions empowers you to make the best decisions for your specific needs. Thank you for following along with this guide. Whether you're streamlining your tools or exploring new horizons, managing your online subscriptions is an essential skill in the digital age. Good luck with your email marketing journey, wherever it takes you next.